TOOLTROOPERS TITANPATCH Pro Sealant Tape delivers a very strong instant bond on common roofing and repair materials like rubber, metal, and fiberglass, making it ideal for urgent leak fixes. The tape is wide and long enough for serious jobs, so you can cover seams, cracks, and punctures on recreational vehicles, roofs, boats, and gutters without needing multiple products. Its butyl adhesive layer forms a durable, weather-resistant seal that is designed to stay watertight for many years instead of failing after a single season. The backing and adhesive are engineered to handle extreme temperatures from deep cold to intense heat, so the tape stays flexible without melting, cracking, or curling at the edges. An easy-to-remove liner and flexible construction make the tape straightforward to apply smoothly, even for people who are not used to doing their own repairs. The roll comes packaged like a professional tool, staying clean, flat, and ready in storage, so it is dependable whenever a sudden leak appears.